Alright, good afternoon everybody. It's Saturday here in Florida, and guess what? We're going out to a car show. We're headed out to the back to school car show, back to class car show, flyer up here, with the Diverse Performance Automotive Club at the Moe's at the airport in Jacksonville, near the airport. So we're going to go see what they got going on. They're doing a car show and school supply giveaway and all kind of other stuff. So we're going to go see what's going on up there. And then this evening, the Callahan Cruisers are having their monthly cruise in at the Hardee's in Callahan. Weather permitting, because it's supposed to rain a good bit today.
That's a pretty one.
I think that's one of our cruisers, by the way. Sorry, didn't have the camera flipped around for you to see it, but there was a nice car pulling up to the light there. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go see what we can see, try to dodge the rain showers and get some video for you guys. So I guess stay tuned. We'll see what we see out here at the car show scene. Oh, they both turn in.
Yeah. There's the Stitch one.
One of the Stitch ones, yeah.
There's a trash truck. Son, I don't see any cars.
I'm not seeing anything either, but I wanted to stop and look first.
Unless they're on the other side, which you went the wrong way.
I was in the wrong lane to go that way.
I know, I told you that.
I'm aware. Alright, let's go back up and go around a little.
Auto Club? Where?
Ultimate Sports Association and Diverse Performance Auto Club.
Might come back and walk that Chevy there.
What Chevy?
The Stitch car.
Oh.
At least get something out of it. You know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, their parking lot closed on that side. Don't look like they had any cars show up.
It don't.
They sure didn't.
Yeah, very little. Oh hell, this ain't way out.
No, but go it anyway.
Yeah, that white Suburban there and that blue truck are part of the Diverse.
Yeah. I think you can get out this way.
Yeah. And that Chevy Silverado there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they didn't have much show up.
No.
This is Wild, Spades, you name it, we got it. Come out here, play some games with us. Every first Wednesday, right here, this location.
So which way you going?
Straight across.
Alright.
So I'll have you hop out and walk around that Stitch car if they ain't getting in and leaving. Nope, they're getting in the minivan, thank God.
Alright.
Once again, every first Wednesday. Hey, I just want to say welcome to Moe's. Welcome to Moe's. Welcome to Moe's. I get Duval to hear me say welcome to Moe's. When I say I want you say it back, parity. Fly your first class through the air, Airbnb. I'm the best you had. You speak comparing me to me. I'm gonna add this at you. If I put you on my phone and upload it, it'll get maximum views. Touch on the lipsticks and phones, way faith alone, just to get you a.
Now, you want to hit this Walmart for a ham, or do you want to wait and go back to Yulee?
No, we might as well hit this one. Ham and creamer.
Alright.
Anything else?
Nope.
That one might have been a car.
No, I don't think so.
No.
It's one. The purple rims, I didn't see it a minute ago.
Yeah.
Four cars.
Mm-hmm.
I can go straight across there, right?
Mm-hmm. You can go ahead and turn.
I wasn't sure what was fixing to happen. Alright guys, so we just left the back to school, back to class car show at the Moe's Southwest Grill at the Jacksonville Airport with the Diverse Performance Auto Club. It wasn't much. They had maybe 5 cars, so we didn't really do much. There was one car that caught our attention, and we'll put it in here, and it just, I don't know what the deal was with this one, whether it was the weather. Of course, it is kind of rainy looking around, and it's supposed to rain most of the day, so people may not have come out. But we really didn't get much footage from it, except for what we got on our dash camera driving through. We didn't even get out the full setup, so it is what it is. So we're gonna head out later to the Callahan Cruisers event, and hopefully we'll have a better event there. But yeah, I didn't go in expecting much, and it didn't let me down. So anyway, we'll see you guys shortly when we go out to the Callahan Cruisers. So stay. All right, guys, it wasn't a good day for car shows. The Callahan Cruisers canceled on us because of the rain. It's tropical season here in Florida, and the rain comes, and when it comes, it's a downpour. So we'll go again next weekend and see what we can find to go out to next week. I think I got 2 things next weekend. I got a car show in the morning on Saturday somewhere in Jacksonville, and then on Saturday evening the Waycross Cruise In is going to be going on, so we're going to go up there for that and check them out. It was a good one last month, or last time they did it, 2 months ago or whenever. So we'll go up and see that one again. There's a lot of different cars that come out of that one, so that's why we're going to go up to that one. So that's our plans for next weekend. Our weekend's done. It's been washed out. So on to channel news. We have started to move the needle again. We have moved up to 285 on our quest to 500. I guess when YouTube messed with the algorithm for low effort videos, it messed up mine, because I guess they figure mine are low effort. I don't know. they don't realize how much effort it is to go out to a car show and film them. So that's their business. But anyway, I started adding some more graphics and stuff to the short videos, and they started moving up again. So we're gonna have to keep doing that. But anyway, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody staying with the channel for the last 3 weeks when it's been just sort of stagnant. We really didn't get much video this week, so there's not really going to be much in the way of new content except for this vlog. But I do have a backlog of videos I can put out to fill the gap. Thankfully, I always stay behind on my videos for instances like this where there's a rainy weekend, and I guess that's the way you have to be when you have an outdoor channel. You have to stay prepared with backlog videos. So anyway, thank you to all my subscribers, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going to the car shows as long as you guys keep watching. So keep watching. We'll see you guys out there at the car show.